Hello children, welcome to the General Knowledge class. Of Standard 9th. The topic that I am going to discuss today is Indian Nobel Laureate. With the following objectives. To know about the meaning of word prize. What is the meaning of word laureate? To know about the meaning of word Nobel laureate. What is the meaning of word Nobel prize? What is the story behind Nobel prize? Who started the Nobel prize? Which are 5 Nobel prizes? On which day is Nobel prize given? How often is the Nobel prize given? Who was the first Nobel prize laureate? In which fields is the Nobel prize given? Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel prize? Now children, what do you mean by a prize? Prize is a thing given as a reward to the winner of a competition or in recognition of an outstanding achievement. It may be in the form of money or something valuable. Prize may be given in many fields as in peace, literature, art, architecture, science, medicine, etc. Some prizes are the Man Booker Prize, the Pulitzer Prize, the Pritzker Architecture Prize, and the most prestigious prize, that is Nobel Prize. Now children, what is the Nobel Prize? Nobel Prize is a set of annual international awards bestowed in a number of categories by Swedish and Norwegian committees in recognition of academic, cultural or scientific advances. These Nobel Prize are a set of esteemed prizes that were instituted by the Swedish inventor Alfred Nobel in his last will and testament in 1895. There are a set of annual international awards which are given in the fields of literature, physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine and peace by Swedish and Norwegian institutions. Now, who was Alfred Nobel? Alfred Nobel was a Swedish chemist, engineer, inventor of dynamite, bequeathed his vast fortune to the establishment of the Nobel Prize. History of Nobel Prize. Every year since 1901, the Nobel Prize has been awarded for achievements in physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and for peace. The Nobel Prize is an international award administered by the Nobel Foundation in Stockholm, Sweden. In 1968, Sveriges Riksbank established the Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Science in memory of Alfred Nobel, founder of the Nobel Prize. Each prize consists of a medal, personal diploma and a cash award. So, more about Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is awarded by Royal Swedish Academy in Stockholm, Sweden at Norway, and here only peace prizes are given. It was started in year 1901. Now children, let us discuss with the award process. The award process includes the first step, that is nomination. Under the nomination forms are sent in September and the deadline for the return of the nomination form is 31st January of the year of the award. The next step is selection. In the selection process, a report is prepared by the prize awarding committee and it is sent to them and the voting is done and then final selection is done. Then the days come of the prize distribution. On the day of the prize distribution, the prize distribution ceremony is conducted on 10 December of every year at Stockholm. Now let us go through various categories which are included in the Nobel Prize. Medicines or physiology, physics, chemistry, literature, peace and economics. Now let us review this through pictures. First is of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, economy. First, only under the will of the Swedish chemistry engineer and industrialist Alfred Nobel established the 5 Nobel Prize in 1895 in the given fields, that is physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, and later on economy was also included among these fields. Now, let us see how much prize is given to the Nobel Prize winner. Children, Nobel Prize comes with a diploma, medal, and a cash award. The cash prize is about 8 million SEK, that is about US dollar 1.1 million. It also comprises a sum of money that has increased since the time the awards were instituted. It also comprises a gold medal, a diploma decided by Nobel Foundation. Now children, these are the list of Nobel Prize winners from India. First is Mr. Rabindranath Tagore, second is Dr. C.V. Raman, third is Mr. Hargobind Khorana, fourth is Mother Teresa, fifth is Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, next is Amartya Sen. Down on the left we have Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. Then at the end we have Kailash Satyarthi. We'll discuss about them in detail in our next slides. Now, children, on December 1st, the Nobel Prize are awarded every year at Stockholm. The first Nobel Prize winner was Mr. Frederick Basse, a novelist who got award for the International Peace Movement in Literature in 1901. Now, this is the youngest awardee of Nobel Prize, Malala Yousafzai from Pakistan. Now, before proceeding further with the awardees, let us review few key terms which will come under your topic. Number 1, prize. Prize is a thing given as a reward to the winner of a competition or in the recognition of an outstanding achievement. It may be in the form of money or something valuable. Next is Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize is an annual prize as in peace, literature, medicine established by the will of Alfred Nobel for the encouragement of persons who work for the interest of humanity. Nobel here refers to the surname of Alfred Nobel, founder of Nobel Prize. Laureate. A laureate is a recipient or honor of recognition for achievement in an art or science. Nobel laureate. Nobel laureate is a winner of Nobel Prize. Next is recognition. Recognition means identification of someone, something or a person from previous knowledge. Cultural contribution. Cultural contribution refers to the contribution of a person in regard to a particular society and its ideas, custom and arts. Scientific contribution. Scientific contribution is the contribution based or characterized by the methods and principles of science. Dynamite is a high explosive. Now children, this is the picture of a very famous person, that is Rabindranath Tagore, popularly known as Gurudev. He was a very famous Bengali writer, composer and a poet. Tagore was a creative composer with 2,230 songs to his credit. His drawing and painting skills sparkled all over the world. Tagore wrote novels, essays, short stories, travelogues, dramas. He was the first Indian to be awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. Thus, he was the first Indian Nobel laureate in 1913 for his collection of poems Gitanjali, with the major theme being devotion to God. It brings to its reader the reality of direct contact with the infinite God. Next picture is of Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 because she dedicated her life to the sick and hungry people. Her simple message was the poor must know that we love them. More than 2 million sick people were treated by mobile dispensaries and clinics by her. At the age of 18, she left her parental home in Skopje and joined the Sisters of Loreto, an Irish community of nuns with missions in India. She is still considered to be one of the greatest humanitarians and philanthropists in 20th century. Next is the picture of Dr. Amartya Sen. Amartya Kumar Sen was honored by the Nobel Prize in year 1998 in the field or subject economics for being a brilliant economist and powerful philosopher of Bengali ethnicity. He have research on fundamental problems in welfare economics and studies of social choice, welfare, amelioration and poverty. Next is the picture of Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi bagged Nobel Prize for Peace in 2014 for their struggle against the suppression of children and young people. He is an Indian children's rights and education advocate and an activist against child labor. He protected the rights of more than 83,000 children from 144 countries. He is the second one to receive the Nobel Prize after Mother Teresa. He is now reportedly working on bringing child labor and slavery into the post-2000 development agenda for the United Nations Millennium Development Goals. He was a follower of Gandhiji's ideology of a peaceful world. Next is the picture of Sir Ronald Ross. Sir Ronald Ross, on August 20, 1897, a British officer in the Indian medical science, was the first to demonstrate that malaria parasites could be transmitted from infected patients to mosquitoes. For his discovery, Ross was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1902. Next is Dr. C.V. Raman. Dr. C.V. Raman was an Indian physicist born in former Madras. Raman or Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was the Nobel Prize for Physics in field of science in year 1930. He was the first Asian scientist to win the Nobel Prize. He made massive contribution to vibrations, sound, musical instruments, ultrasonic diffraction, photoelectricity, colloidal particles, X-ray diffraction, magnetron, dielectrics, and especially the Raman effect, for which he was able to draw Nobel Prize in 1930. He also worked on the scattering of light. In 1928, Raman found that the light spreads in different directions when it meets particles that are smaller than its wavelength. He further established that a small particle of the scattered light acquires other wavelengths than the original light, because some of the increasing photon's energy can be transferred to a molecule, giving it a higher level of energy. This phenomena was called as the Raman effect, and later on it was named after him as Raman effect. Next is the picture of Mr. Hargobind Khorana. Mr. Hargobind Khorana was an Indian-American biochemist. He was born in India, but after 1945 shifted to England. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 1968 in physiology or medicines for the interpretation of the genetic code and its function in protein synthesis. It was established that genetic information is transferred from DNA to RNA and to proteins. Next is Mr. S. Chandrasekhar or Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. He was born in India but later on shifted to the United States. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983 for his mathematical theory of the physical processes of importance to the structure and evolution of the stars. He has worked in various areas including stellar structure, theory of white dwarfs, stellar dynamics, theory of radioactive transfer, quantum theory of hydrogen, and hydromagnetic stability, equilibrium, and the stability for ellipsoidal figures of equilibrium. Next is the picture of V. Ramakrishnan or Venkatraman. He was an Indian-born American and British structural biologist. He was awarded for studying of the structure and functions of the ribosome and giving new vision to the molecular science. He is recognized for the determination of the atomic structure of the 30S ribosomal subunit. Next is Mr. Rudyard Kipling, a very well-known person. Rudyard Kipling, an English writer, 20 years after publishing his first collection, was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907 for his originality of imagination, of ideas, and remarkable talent for narration. He was the first English language recipient at the age of 42. He remains the youngest ever. So children, at the end, I hope that now you would be able to fill the achievements of the various Nobel laureates in your book. Thank you and have a nice day.